What's up, guys? It's X2Robbie2X here, and I'm back with some Minecraft modding made easy. Now, today we're going to be going over entity spawning from an item. So, I didn't get any feedback last video. If you guys like me to show the final product first and then go over how to do it, so let's go ahead and try that again. So, let's run this. I already have it done, and this is what we're going to be making today. I made an amulet. This is going to be, it's called a blocking amulet, and it is a amulet of spawning. That's kind of funny. So yeah, I made it say Rupert inbound when it spawns, and I made it spawn high up in the air so it dies, just for safety purposes. But you will be able to do this with any entity. So bam, there it goes. So yeah, you're going to be learning how to do this today. And it should be a fairly short tutorial. I mean, shorter than most, so let's go ahead and learn how to do this. Now, let's, I guess, yeah, alright. First of all, I'll show you, I'll show you the texture. Where is it? Blockium amulet. It's just a simple amulet looking thing. Oh, I forgot the texture right there. I'm gonna have to fix that. But yeah, it's just a simple amulet looking thing. I don't know why I made an amulet of spawning. It should be like a wand or something, but make it whatever you want. It doesn't matter. So now we got that out of the way. Blocking amulet. Just make a new item. It's basic item. We already know how to do this. Just give it an ID. Give it a name. That's all it needs. Remember to do this up here where all your declarations are. Let's go down there into our constructor. And let's find our amulet. So you give it a name, in-game name. You give it a texture. Override the texture. We've done this so many times. You should already know how to do this. Then I made it add in recipe. So you get one blockium amulet if you have one blockium catalyst and a blockium block next to it. So, I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it. We don't have to do much in here. What we're going to have to do, though, is go and make our item blockium amulet.java. When we get there, make sure it extends item. Make a easy constructor. Just pass in the ID to the super constructor. Don't forget the int x. You pass in the x or whatever value you want, like int z or whatever. And you just pass that in to the super constructor. And then make sure the stack size is 1. This has to be 1. Yeah, I'm going to start commenting all my stuff because I will be releasing this. I will be releasing code today right after this tutorial or during this tutorial. So make sure to check the forum for that. But yeah, make sure the stack size is 1 because you can't really use items that have a stack size of more than 1. I don't know, it's just weird. Alright, so now we only need one other method, and that is on item right click. So if we can go into item.java, where is it? Let's go right click. Alright, so it's simple, simple method. Here it is in item.java, and we're going to need to override that. Basically, just copy the whole method. Just copy this thing. Just copy. Paste it in here, but we're going to have to add some stuff. So, if you pasted it in, this and this would already been in there. We need to add this. So, let's go over this. You don't need to add this. I'm going to in-game chat message. Yeah, this is just a simple chat message, so you don't have to add this. I just added it just so I know when it's spawning. I have it say Rupert inbound because the monster looks like me. So yeah, you just do an entity player dot add message at chat message and then do a string or whatever you want. We already went over this in an earlier tutorial. Now let's get to the more important stuff. You're gonna want to make a brand new entity or whatever you call it. So give it a class, give it the class name that you have it. So mine is entity blockium monster. Then give it whatever name you want. You can make this, I don't know, Blockium monster. It doesn't really matter. Give it a name, and then new entity Blockium monster. Give it that class name again, and then pass in the world. Now most entities are like this. Some entities might require other parameters, so yeah. But most of the basic entities are like this. So just give it a world. Now since we changed this, let's Blockium monster. That kind of requires 2 M's. Yeah, so after we made a Blockium monster, next we're going to have to give it a position on where to spawn. So you're going to do Blockium monster dot set position. So if we go into entity.java, so pretty much every entity in some point extends entity.java. And entity.java has a method called set position, and then you have to pass in an X, a Y, and a Z position. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Is you're going to do Blockium monster, so whatever you named your entity, dot set position, opening parenthesis, and then you're going to do entity player dot position X dot POSX, capital X. Don't forget. This is going to make it so the entity spawns on you or near you or wherever you set it. So entity player dot position X, comma, entity player dot position Y, comma, entity player dot position Z, closing parenthesis, and then a semicolon. Now I did position Y plus 30, which means it's always going to spawn 30 blocks above me. I did this just for safety purposes because I wanted him to fall to his death so I wouldn't have to kill him. But let's delete that, and X, let's give it like a plus 2 and plus 2. So let's give it a +1 +1. So they don't always spawn right on you, but it spawns 1 block away from you, like 1 diagonal block away from you. It goes 1 to the x-axis and 1 to the z-axis. And then once we have our position set for the entity, we're going to go ahead and, well, actually, what am I doing? I didn't need those brackets there. Alright, so next what we're going to do is just world is your world variable here, dot entity joined world, and I think we already went over this method, but basically it just puts an entity inside of the world. So entity joined world, and then you're going to put in, inside of the parentheses, you're going to put whatever you named your monster, which is ours is Blockium monster. Now, like I said, you can do this with cows, you can do this with wolves, you can do this with peaceful entities. It doesn't have to be a monster. I just wanted to demonstrate on my made monster. And then you're simply going to return item stack, but that should already be in there if you copy and pasted the method in. So, I mean, yeah, we have it. So 1, 1, it spawns 1 block away from you diagonally in the positive direction. So if we go ahead and run this again, I can actually, if I knew where I left my, yep, here's my crafting table, but I don't know why I don't really need the crafting table. So if you put a catalyst and a Blockium ore, okay. Next, so we get a Blockium amulet. Alright, we get our catalyst back. And get up. And now let's see, where are we? We are at 121. So we're going the positives. So if +1, that means the X positive is over there, the Z positive is over there. It means if we add 1 to X and 1 to Z, the monster should spawn right there. So, oh, there he goes. He spawned right there. But he still hit me on his way down, so you might want to make your, okay, that's really loud. You might want to make your spawn like +3 or +4, so they don't spawn right on top of you and push you. So that would not be good. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. I have nothing else to show you on summoning. So make sure to like the video if you liked it. Comments down in the comment section below. All suggestions and errors should go to the minecraftforum.net link that's down in the description. And my code, I am going to release the code for download on version 2. This is going to be version 2 of my code. It's going to be, you're going to be able to download it on the Minecraft forum link, so make sure to go check that out. And that's about it. So thanks for watching, and see ya.